In this video, let me show you how to get the Burst of Life skin and Kingshot. The Burst of Life skin is one of the most coveted castle skins in Kingshot, and unlocking it requires reaching a total power of 4 million. While this may sound challenging, it's entirely achievable with consistent effort and the right strategy. To start, focus on increasing your overall power. One of the most effective ways to do this is by upgrading your key buildings. Each upgrade contributes significantly to your power score, so make sure to prioritize your most important structures. Participating in in-game events is also crucial. Events often reward you with valuable resources, which can then be used to speed up upgrades and troop training. Don't forget to use your boosts whenever possible, as they can significantly accelerate your progress. In addition to that, training troops consistently will steadily increase your power over time. Some players report hitting a vault around 3.2 million power, but with patience and proper resource management, reaching 4 million is within reach. Once you hit the 4 million power mark, the Burst of Life skin should unlock naturally. That's how you get the Burst of Life skin and Kingshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.